My name is James Emmert. I work for East Valley Seed Company. I have for over 30 years now. In the early days, it was a livestock and grain farm that transitioned into more of a seed production farm back in the 70s when grass seed became a viable crop in the Willamette Valley. We also grow vegetable seed crops such as cabbage, sugar beets, clover. Sometimes we have wheat, so we're fairly diversified. In that time, I have seen the farm grow, I've seen the business grow, and with that growth came the need for precision ag solutions, and that need was met by Papé and John Deere. East Valley Seed Company is a multi-generational farm located in the Willamette Valley. The Willamette Valley is a perfect environment for growing seed crops. We have nice, mild winters and dry summers that allow us to produce seed that other places wouldn't be able to. We produce a lot of different types of grass seeds. The type of thing you would find at golf courses, your lawns, your football fields, wherever grass is grown, the chances are it was grown here in the Willamette Valley. Here at East Valley Seed, we utilize a lot of the John Deere Precision Ag solutions available to us. And those range anywhere from auto steer technology, either built into the tractor from the factory or retrofitted with their ATUs that are available. We utilize the John Deere sprayer equipped with ExactApply, which allows the computer to control each individual nozzle as needed. And in conjunction with the GPS and the guidance, it looks at where you've already applied, and as you cross into treated ground, it shuts off each nozzle, so you have no waste, no over-application, no crop damage. It is amazing, the technology that is coming out. You save money on your pesticides, you save money on crop damage because you don't have it, and you save money and time because you don't have to go out there and replant where you possibly killed something through crop damage or reapply something because you skipped it. The savings is astronomical, what you can do with the ExactApply. It's just amazing to me to look back at the history of precision ag from the time it began to what we have now. And with John Deere Precision Systems, it allows you to actually take their systems and add it to something that's not John Deere. And you can retrofit older equipment or other brands of equipment to utilize these John Deere solutions. A farm can purchase something like one antenna and one controller to get started and move that from machine to machine as needed. And quickly, I think you'll find that you love it and you'll be buying more. We started that way. We had a couple of controllers, a couple of antennas, and we'd swap them from machine to machine, and now we have retrofitted everything. We still have that flexibility if we get a new piece of machinery or something that we can quickly move it to that piece of machinery and be back in business. It just amazes me. So John Deere offers a website-based system called the John Deere Operations Center. With that, you can log on and you can see where all of your equipment is. It'll allow you to look from your phone, your tablet, or your laptop what your equipment's doing in the field, what its efficiency is. It tells you how many gallons per hour it's burning, how many acres that you're accomplishing at that time, per hour. It's geolocation. It shows you on a little map where it is in the field. So I can take that and I can look at it and I can see where the other people are, what they're doing, whether they're having problems, whether things are going well, what time they will be done. It just gives you a lot of information at your fingertips, easily accessible. With that, you're able to plan your day. You can kind of look out there and see where your equipment is, where it's going to be, where it needs to go. I've seen precision ag from the days of its infancy to where we are today. I've tried practically every brand out there. Eventually, we got to a point where we tried John Deere, and we were hooked. In fact, I'm so impressed with the John Deere Green Star that we have over the years completely gone away with every other brand, just throw them in the trash, and we've retrofitted everything to John Deere. They are 100% the supplier for all of our precision ag needs. Nobody comes close. I've tried them all, and John Deere is leaps and bounds ahead of the competition.